Hello YouTube, this is Mason here, and yes, I know I'm not wearing a shirt, but that's not important. Important is I'm hungry, I want a Pop-Tart, and that's my microwave. So, you know how the rappers say never microwave in the thing? Well, I got curious and decided to see, let's do it. See what happens. Let's watch it. Is it? Oh, sparks fly. Can still kind of hear it sizzling, popping. Come on, hurry. Let's see, what time is it? It's about 2:15. Party like a champ. Oh, that's hot. Look at that. It's shrink wrap Pop-Tart. Goodness. Yummy. Ooh, let's take this off. Ooh, Butterfingers, 3-second rule. Ha. It's very good. Cooks faster, more warmer. I would not recommend microwaving it like that, but it works for me. If you want to blow your microwave up, do it. Peace, YouTube.